Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Real Life Health Show. And here I am in my candy store. I mean, my yard, which is my candy store. It's not only my candy store, it's my nutritional library. How you like that one? Nutritional library. Yes, these are my fruit trees, and they produce fruit. And I am a person that eats fruit, and these are my food. This is my food. What better way can you get food as less processed as possible than right from your own fruit tree? And you get to control and decide what type of food you want to grow and how you want to grow it. And it's a great thing. And you can base it on your environment, or you can choose an environment to live on that'll base on what food you grow. But, you know, wherever you are in this world, you can grow food, whether you're in a cold environment, a warm environment. There's only excuses that people give, but there are people that make it happen no matter where they are. This is my vegetable garden that's completely overgrown because it's the summertime here. And in the summertime, a lot of leafy greens don't grow well here in South Florida because it gets so hot. But I'm growing watermelon. And watermelon goes great here in South Florida. So you do with what you got. You do with what you got. We got watermelon growing here. We got mangoes growing. And we try to find what we can eat, find what we can grow, and we grow it and we eat it. And then when the spring comes, we start getting our garden ready for some leafy green vegetables and tomatoes. That's what's growing in this environment. I just put in some papaya trees. Papaya trees and banana trees are pretty unique fruit trees because they grow so quickly. And within a year, you can have a full producing tree. And there's a bunch of papaya trees. Some baby papayas on it now, but an amazing, amazing thing that you can do that so quickly and so easily. And sometimes you got to explore and experiment with different fruits that you might not heard of. And yeah, start tasting them in the stores, the things you haven't seen. Maybe go to an international market and taste that and see what's there. This is called a mame sapote fruit. You can get it at Latin markets across the country. But they grow it here in South Florida. Delicious. And for those of you that say, well, you're lucky you can grow this and where you live, you have this on your trees. Look, there are people out there that mail this fruit in the mail. And you could do that and get it that way. You don't have to just grow it. But if you're interested about being healthy, know the growers, know the farm, and know where your food's coming from and choose the food you want. You pick the environment, you pick the food. I'm excited. And I try to spread out the season. So I got this mango here, which is called a Dunkin' mango. But I also have this mango here. This one's called an M4 mango. And this mango here is, as you can see, green. It's not ripe yet. So this will last a little bit longer. So there's different seasons. And when you go to the store, that's good to know because if you want to, I do recommend eating food from this country mostly. And if you know when the seasons are, you kind of get an idea what the farmers are truly doing and how that truly works. And check this out, everybody. This is my avocado tree, or one of my avocado trees. Look how big that is. This is an early season avocado called a Simpson avocado tree. And it has a bunch of avocados on there. Again, I have early, I have mid, and I have late avocados. Just try to fill out the season so I get as much food as possible that I'm growing that I could eat myself. And I grew up in a big city in an apartment, never lived in a house, never had a yard, never thought I would be able to do these things. But even when I did that, I traveled to places, whether it was a local farmer's market, a local farm, or to another state to go and try to learn about these and taste these and meet people that are growing them. So if one day I had this opportunity, I would have some idea what to do. So even if you're living in a place where you don't think you'll be able to have your own land, or if you're living in a place where it's an apartment, you'll never think you have a house, meet people that do and get to know them. Whether it's somebody growing vegetables and fruits in their own backyard, or somebody who has a big farm, or somebody who travels the world and gets to taste all these exotic foods. Talk to them about these things, learn about these things. and this way you'll be educated. So when the opportunity comes to you to either taste them, grow them, or try them, you'll know and you'll understand. And when people ask me how I maintain eating a vegan diet or a raw vegan diet or just fruits and vegetables or nuts and seeds, how do I do it? I start with knowledge, learning about the things, trying the things, and rocking them. And you're not going to love everything. You're not going to be successful at everything, but you have no chance if you don't try. So try everything. And this is a tree here. This is called a white sapote. I have several varieties of this tree. This is a newer tree. The other varieties produce great fruit, but they're different seasons. So I put another one in to see what this is going to do. Try it and see how it goes and learn. All right. Same thing with your diet. If you want to try 100% raw vegan, try it, see how it goes. If it's working for you, great. If not, make some adjustments to accomplish your goals, whatever your goals are. So that's what I suggest. All right. I'm happy to help you all with questions. And I've been eating this raw vegan diet now for a very long time and helping people help themselves avoid or overcome disease. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day and a great world life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.